Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you may have seen over the past month, we have not updated this channel. But there's some good news for DC snow lovers since we have another snow event that is expected tonight into Saturday night. So currently we are expecting about less than 1 inch near Lexington Park and along a line south of Charlottesville, and a steep snow gradient along Charlottesville, Orange, and La Plata, where there will be 2 to 3 inches of snow, and then 3 to 4 inches along a line near Washington, D.C., as well as inside the district, and 4 to 5 inches in the western Beltway areas, as well as further north and west, and in the southern Shenandoah Valley area, and 5 to 8 inches in Leesburg, Winchester, and the further west you get, as well as western Baltimore and Cecil, Harford counties. So this is a boom scenario for the winter storm, and the district will get 6 inches in this case, and Leesburg 7 inches, and Westminster, Baltimore 8 inches, 7 inches, and isolated 8 to 12 inches, maybe up to a foot in the Western Mountains, and 12 to 18 inches actually along Oakland, maybe Morgantown, that area. And for this system, I feel like we will be guaranteed around 1 to 2 inches, even if it fails miserably to produce snow, because as you can see here, there's a 90% chance at least of 1 inch of snow in the immediate metro area, and as far and further north and west you go, the more snow there will be. And if we look at 0.1% chance, it's almost 100%, and then that's 1 inch is 90%, 2 inch is 78% chance, 4 inches for around 40% chance, and then 6 inch is 8% chance. So we actually have somewhat of a chance, and 8 inch is basically no chance in the entire DC area except for maybe Oakland or further into the mountains. And this is the current watches and warnings. Pink denotes winter storm warning, and purple denotes winter weather advisory. But this graph may be somewhat misleading because, as you know, winter storms do not follow county lines, and their snow accumulations follow a temperature gradient instead of political and county borderlines. So western Fairfax County may actually be under a winter storm warning for 4 to 6 inches of snow instead of a winter weather advisory for 2 to 5 inches of snow. And this is the current precipitation map. As we can see here, the precipitation is already encroaching into the beltway areas at this point around 9:55 p.m. and this is light to moderate snow, and the further west you go, the heavier it gets. This is actually around 1 inch per hour, and this will eventually shift into the DC area without much weakening. So this would be pretty exciting if this 1 inch to 2 inch per hour snowfall rate materializes. And this is the current radar map, and this is currently where the snow is located, but this map is kind of misleading because there should not be a massive gap in the snowfall rate. It should be a solid line from around the Beltway up near Philadelphia. And as time continues to progress, this should not be a massive bulge. We should already be seeing snow at 11:39 p.m. And as time continues to progress, the storm moves into the DC region, and the snow starts to move out. Apparently, starts to move out by 3 a.m. But according to this radar map, the snow is starting to surge out. But since we don't have a strong jet streak above us, I don't really anticipate this to happen. So this snow event will be prolonged, as evidenced in this 24-hour future radar simulation which shows snow at 10:30 p.m., which is accurate, and more snow and more snow and heavy snow and more snow until around 5 a.m., which it moves out, or actually 6 a.m., which it moves out, which seems more accurate. And that totals to 6 to 7 hours of light to moderate to heavy to moderate to light snow. So that might be 5 to 6 inches of snow. And as we can see here, we are expecting moderate impacts in the widespread DC region as well as some minor impacts, but most of all of it should be moderate impact. So expect disruptions to daily life and use extra caution while driving, and closures and disruptions to infrastructure may occur. Thank you for watching and stay safe.